And for the end of day report of yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWave running a little late, but we're gonna do a real quick one here, just so you can calm down, not get too excited about what you saw happening in the markets today. All right, so let's put things into perspective, just so that there's no need to panic. First chart is going to be the chart of gold. As you can see here, market is still where it was in the previous video. We're really not doing anything. We're just trading inside of the previous week's bar, which is going to be the established range. Moving forward, I expect sideways prices in this market to continue. Here's ADA Cardano. All right, as you can see here, we got that lift up from last week. We got that continued upside production, and this market is still moving within inside of that one. Where this is your major range right here from the week of May 21st. We really haven't moved outside of that bar, and this is going to continue to move on for some time. I expect a long congestion period in that one. Taking a look here at BNB, same thing. All right, we really haven't left the May 21st, the week of May 21st. We have not moved outside of those bars. All right, take a look at Bitcoin, same thing. All right, this is your major right here, which is May 21st, the week of May 21st of 2021, established a trading range for the rest of the year so far, it seems. We have not broken out of the zone. All right, you guys need to see this. Put things into perspective, all right? Nothing's falling apart. Things are just moving sideways. Here's your next one. Here's Ethereum. May 21st, the week of May 21st, same thing. All we're doing is moving inside of this range. The trading range was established in May. Remember, selling May, go away? Well, look, market's been moving in the range. Nothing is happening. We are not trending. Here's another chart. Here's Litecoin. All right, and here's May 21st bar. What do you see happening? We're trading inside of the bar, the lower end of the bar, but nevertheless, we're inside that bar. Markets have not moved since the week of May 21st, ladies and gentlemen. That's what I'm showing you here today. All right, here's Theta. Theta's a little bit different story, but so far you see it's forming a rally alert for going into next week so far. We'll see if that changes, but that one seems to be the anomaly. Here's XRP Ripple, and what do we have? May 21st of 2021, and what do you have? Price is still in this range. Now, this one broke down temporarily. It expanded the range temporarily, right? And then came right back into the immediate range of May 21st. So we had two legs. We had we had this initial one here. You had one leg, right? One leg down, followed by a second leg down, right? Markets came and stayed within the secondary zone here for a minute, then broke out back to the previous zone, right? And here, and then now finally we've made it back to the primary zone, May 21st. That's it, folks. That's all you're seeing. I don't care what they talk about on TV. This is a fact. You can't ignore the facts. All right, let's move on to the stock market now. That's a little bit different. This is your NASDAQ 100. You already came into this week with the crash alert sell signal, and you've been getting that downside production as anticipated. How much more downside is the question. We'll see. But for right now, bears are winning. Next one is oil. All right, so oil came into this week the same way, but we're still getting downside production. It's on its way to the $60 mark, I believe. Next up is your silver futures. We looked at gold. Silver, again, trading inside of August 13th bar, and I don't think that's going to be moving for quite some time. I think the August 13th is going to be a major consolidation zone for both gold and silver. Next up is the Dow. All right. The Dow so far is creating a crash alert sell signal for next week, and we're sliding, just inching down. We got this bearish pointer here, and this bearish pointer here that I think is attracting the price. All right. Our goal is still the 32,000-ish level, but we gotta stop by these two supports first and see if those hold. Next up is the Australian dollar. As you can see here, more downside production, continuation from last week, and we just took out this bearish pointer right here. Next up is the Canadian dollar. All right, we have broken out from last week, but we're being attracted to this bullish pointer, and we're right here at overhead trendline resistance, which is the first resistance. Second one will be the top here of this pointer. So this is where prices are being attracted to right now. All right, and then next up we have here the US dollar index. Again, it's just getting deeper into the cloud and starting to run out of steam a little bit, just kind of moving sideways now within the major consolidation zone, which I showed you is several points. Last but not least, nat gas came into the week with a crash alert sell signal and did not disappoint. It gave us downside production. Trend line support around the $3 mark is the target. All right, and that's all I have for you tonight. Just wanted to show you that I don't believe the hype. You know, oh man, the Dow is down 500 points. It doesn't matter when the range that's been established is so wide and the market is still in a very powerful bullish zone. All right, please understand that the stock indexes are still showing bullishness, and the crash alert sell signals that do pop up are for pullback status at this time, not correction status. We got a long way to go before we start talking about a correction status. We are in a pullback status, which means I'm expecting the markets to be bid back up here shortly, probably by the end of the week. All right, you know what to do. Smash that like button, and you know bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give not them back, and go to PulseWaveTrading.com so you can get these PulseWave reports delivered to you so you can know what to do and how to position yourself in these markets for profit. And I'm out. Peace.